So it was a very informative session, and I congratulate every one of the speakers for having made it very interesting. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to join all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable feedback for us.
It's our pleasure to have you with us, ma'am. Thank you. And I would like to call upon some other participants to please give your valuable feedback as what Dr. Sumati ma'am has given. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to everyone. This Subtle FDP is very useful to everyone, I think so. And every speaker's presentation is a well excellent presentation, and we have to learn more and more from their presentation. Thank you so much for this arranging this type of organizers, this type of excellent speakers for this event. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Meenal ma'am, and we are looking forward to participate and looking forward for you to participate in the upcoming events we have planned. Thank you.
Sir, it was an excellent FDP. It was really a great learning for me. I've been attending many FDPs related to data science, but the way all the speakers explained how it can be actually applied, that was really great. Thanks a lot for organizing such a wonderful FDP.
It's a pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Any other participants? Kindly give your valuable feedback for us.
And if you could find any flaws, that is also welcome, so that we can improve ourselves and we can improvise ourselves in upcoming FDPs and STTPs as well. That is also most welcome. Thank you.
Dear participants, come forward and give your valuable feedback and suggestion also to improve for us for the upcoming programs those we are going to conduct.
Or else you can give your feedback in chat box. You can type in your chat box, or else.
So dear participants, please kindly give your feedback, not only positive aspect and your suggestion for improvement in further, that is in future aspects also. So in that dimension also, we are looking your feedback. Please.
Thank you, Sumati ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
I logged in quite perfectly at 3 o'clock, and I've been waiting for a long time. So we don't have so much of free time, you know. So I thought I will give it to you, the feedback.
Sure.
Anyway, thank you.
Sir, Dr. Keshav Ahmed, sir, you have came forward to give your feedback. Now it's your turn, sir. You can give your valuable feedback.
Hi, the team. So this was a wonderful the FTP. So it was a really the great learning for me. So I congratulate all the speakers who delivered their talk in a very great manner, and also I would like to congratulate the team who have organized this FTP. So my one thing I just want to know, actually, if you can just organize such a kind of FTP in the offline mode, that will be better.
Sure, sir.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. So thank you very much.
Most welcome, sir. Thank you
so
for the
much
valuable
your
feedback. Thank you, Balasubramaniam, sir, for your feedback that you have posted in the chat box as great learning experience through this FTP. Thank you very much for the organizers. Thank you, sir. We are here to help you. Thank you so much, sir.
Dear participant, introduce yourself with your institution. That might be helpful for us to identify you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Sanjil Kumar from GRT Institute of Engineering and Technology, Tirupati. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Your voice is very audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Kumar Ganesh for informing this wonderful Atal FTP for me. If not, I may be missing a great FTP where I learned so many things. And also, I would like to appreciate you, the organizers, who did a very wonderful job in promoting all these things. And also the hands-off session which was provided was really wonderful. And also the stress management session, it was really good. And I appreciate the work done by you all. And I like to see more things which you may be doing and informing to me also. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. And we are very delighted to have you as a participant for this program. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Deepak sir, for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, Sarika ma'am, for your feedback. Sandhya ma'am from KNCET, if you could give your valuable feedback, it would be we'll be very happy since you have turned on your video as well. So if you could give the feedback, we'll be very happy, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. First of all staff members are coordinate of this program is very good, but very useful of this webinar. So thank you, sir. It myself, my Sandhya, work from Kognadu College of Engineering in assistant professor in ECE department. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Dr. Vishal sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I would also like to give some feedback related to the FDP program. First of all, very good afternoon to all the respected teachers and the faculty members from the various departments. Actually, my name is Dr. Vishal Sirsat, and I'm working as an assistant professor from Devgiri Institute of Technology and Management Studies, which is from Maharashtra, Aurangabad. So if I wanted to talk about the FDP program, yes, this was really the fantastic program, and I think I would like to say that this was a knowledgeable feast for the all the participants. Actually, I'm working on the data analytics in the field of the data analytics from the last 4 years, but I have not go through the RapidMiner tool. I have not searched about that. Means the RapidMiner is that much useful for the data analytics field. So definitely this faculty development program has helped me a lot, and definitely I would like to suggest one suggestion for the institute, that I think they should arrange the offline program once the corona situation will getting declared. So thank you very much, and thank you for a wonderful session. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was really a nice program.
Thank you so much, sir.
And thank you, and we are very happy to get feedback from you as well, sir. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, sir.
Mayuri ma'am, if you can share your feedback, you can share your feedback since you have came in video. So it would be we'll be very happy if you could share your views and feedbacks.
Sir, actually, the workshop was very nice, and whatever the knowledge we gained from this workshop, it will really helpful for us in near future. Please arrange like such workshops, and thanks for organizing like such workshops.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Most welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Pushpendra sir, thank you so much. Thank you, HOD ma'am, and others coordinator. Informative FTP, wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lalita ma'am, for your feedback, which you have posted in the chat box as very good learning experience during FTP. Thank you for this wonderful session. Thank you so much for the participation, ma'am. Thank you.
Dear participant, if you give your suggestion also welcome to improve our performance for the forthcoming FDP and workshop, etc. Kindly give your suggestion also.
You could see some of the flaws while we are conducting this feedback FTP. So if you could see any flaws, if you could tell us that, it will be very helpful for us to improvise ourselves and improve ourselves in the upcoming FTPs and STTPs as well. So that is also most welcome. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, thank you.
Dear participant, kindly share your key learnings from this FDP. A few of the participants we are like to have your key learning from this FDP. Kindly come forward and you can share your suggestions or feedbacks, or what are the key learnings that from this FDP. Come forward, participant.
Sure, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, we will correct it and we'll be posting the feedback form at the end of the session as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We'll correct it in the upcoming STTPs and FTPs. Thank you.
Any other participants, if you have any feedback, kindly give us. It will be more helpful for us to improve ourselves.
Dear participant, very happy to hear that a lot of appreciation for us. Kindly give your suggestion also that might be helpful for us for the forthcoming programs to conduct in a better manner. Dear participant, come forward and give your suggestion.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Myself, Dr. Nazia Pathan. I am from Maharashtra, Aurangabad. I want to congratulate the entire team of this FDP. You have really conducted very well organized FDP, and the time management was very nice. And at the same time, you have selected the resource persons. They are also a bag of knowledge, and they had explained each and everything very deeply, very kindly, and it is really very helpful for entire students. And I appreciate your efforts, your teamwork, and I want to look forward whenever again if you people will organize such FDP, I want to enroll myself. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for the valuable feedback which you have given, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we are looking forward for your participation in the upcoming FTPs or STTPs if we plan any in the future. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Thanks a lot, sir.
Most welcome, ma'am. Thank you. And our HOD ma'am also have joined the FTP for the validatory session and feedback section. So if you could tell some of the good feedbacks, ma'am is also here to hear the feedback from new participants. Thank you. Welcome you, ma'am.
Yeah, I have joined virtually in parallel with other meetings. Now I quit out of the meeting and came back. Good afternoon to all. We heard parallelly your feedback and everything. We want a little more feedback. You all came to know myself is a convener and coordinator, but our team has trained like anything. Without my absence, they can do like anything because they were experienced for the past 4 different slots of programs which was conducted by us in the area of artificial intelligence by AICT SPTP. And IoT by Atal FTP in the month of February. So it's a sample how our team at KOTEC faculty executing and everything. This is what still we want much more suggestions for further sort of improvements in forthcoming events which we are going to conduct. We are very much eagerly to conduct this event, particularly in the physical mode itself. That's what once we have received an sanction, that is before which we are going to receive a sanction order for this proposal. When our proposal was selected in the month of February, we keep postponing the date of conduction at an end of this academic, the end of this calendar year. Why? Because we expect that Corona will rule out. There is a possibility for us to conduct this concern faculty development program as in a physical mode. But fortunately or unfortunately, again because of the second wave and everything, it has been. We are in a position to conduct these things as in an virtual mode itself. Okay. And a humble request to the participants, which I was observed from the past CDs in our WhatsApp group and here in the chat also. Once after this end of today's session, okay, Monday we are going to make this, converting this entire video into an suitable YouTube link. then we are going to upload the same thing in our Atal FDP portal, and along with our information channel about in our KUT channel also. And it's our responsibility to send the entire recording of all those sessions starting from that Monday until now. We are going to send you all the links. You don't need to worry about those things. Clear? But give us an time for us to send those links and PPT to you all. Okay, some of the experts have shared their PPT as of now. Some of them are able to send their PPTs to us. That's what. Okay. So, Hari, whether you all taken that snapshot of all those persons in the video mode?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's not at all an issue. We want a few more persons to give your valuable suggestion to us. Therein, it's a chance for us to correct ourselves in the forthcoming programs which are going to be conducted at KOTE. Please. It's going to give a boost for our team, not for us. As your elders, we have a vast experience in conducting these kind of activities. But I'm very much happy that our team has executed without my physical presence in this concern program. That's what. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 feedbacks, then a final validity address will be given by us. Then let you know about that. You don't need to worry about the test and timing and everything. We also came to know we are also in that sailing in the same boat. We came to know what's the responsibility of a faculty while attending these programs in a virtual mode. Parallelly, you are in a position to taking care of your related activities of your institution. Okay, we will give time for it and everything is there. Okay. Few more. Yes, please.
Dear participants, if you have any feedback, kindly give for us.
Not any feedback. Do they want to have any suggestions about our team coordinations in that one, about our what to say, the resource persons which you have chosen for them, and as which you are posted in a slot as before that Sunday, the resource persons, they were given concern, and because of their health issues of their family and their parents, some of their sessions which are in a position to swap in that way. We believe that things, whatever be the swap of those sessions happens so far, but the content which is relevant for the things which was delivered by our resource persons, you alone came to know. You are all with the participants for the past 5 days. So that's what which you are asking you all. Yes, my dear participants. Hari, okay, we believe that you all were satisfied.
Actually, more than 10 to 15 participants have turned on their video and they have given their valuable feedbacks and suggestions.
Yeah, that's what. While I'm coming from that meeting, it was updated by Saravanan and RS.
Yes.
Okay, I heard everything. Okay. Anyway, from the recording, we are going to what to say, play those things and going to hear in that one. Okay. Thank you very much, my dear participants. Hari, now it's a session for a validity address. Okay. I'll request Saravanan to address about the things, followed with the RS, then myself, and then finally Hari and team, those who are and that launching and hosting place, you can finally end those meetings. Yes. Now over to Saravanan for your address.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all present over here. So it's my pleasure to interact with you in this Atal FDP on data science and healthcare science, data analytics in healthcare. Really, that is, we would like to thank. So really, I would like to thank the entire team of ours and as well as AICT for accepting our proposal, and they were sanctioned to conduct the event in our institution. First of all, I would like to thank the participants because of their cooperation only we can able to successfully completed the 5 days FDP. Actually, it is the second Atal FDP, and we were also conducted 3-phase staff development programs also in last year. So that is care after we request the participants kindly do your feedback. You have to give your feedback in your portal. Then only you can then only you will able to get the certificates. Okay, so our humble request is that please kindly give your valuable feedbacks in your Atal portal. Then only we can able to get the certificate. So this is one humble request from our side, and we were also going to be post the that is post examination for after near that is we are going to be post the examinations through Google, that is Google Sheet. So I request the participants so kindly complete the examination. So based on that only we are that is based on the that is based on your attendance as well as marks scored in the test alone only, that is you are going to be receiving the certificates. So these are the things I would like to share with you. So once again, that is I thank the participants to render your kind cooperation for conducting the program smoothly. So now I hand over the session to the Professor R. Shanmugasundaram sir.
Good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to share about the success of this 5-day FDP program. So first I would like to thank our HOD ma'am for their guidance to submit this proposal, and I extend my thanks to our KIOT management to give the facilities to conduct these type of FDPs for the betterment of teaching communities. There's our beloved principal of KIOT discussed in the inaugural session. I think you have already know. So KIOT always connecting these type of FDPs and SCDP for this betterment of teaching community. So another thing, I really thank to our all the resource person those who accept our invitation and come forward. And really, I think this is a wonderful FDP. Most of the resource person they give hands-on training that might be useful for the. I think this participant, I think 60 plus members doing the research. So definitely that might be useful for the participant. So, and I really thanks to the participant for the wonderful support for us to conduct this 5 days FFT without any flaws. And very nice to hear these wonderful feedbacks from your side. And some of the participants have asked to conduct in a physical mode. Definitely, if that COVID situation will be managed out, definitely we will be conduct this type of programs in a physical mode. Thank you, one and all. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
So over to Hari sir.
Over to Hari sir. Sorry. Over to everybody, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay. Good afternoon, one and all. I have gone through all those feedbacks which was given by you all. We used to consider this as a feedback and suggestions in that way. First of all, I would like to thank all those participants across nation registered for this program and even participated in this 5 days without any absenteeism about yourself for this faculty development program. And at the same time, internal participants also actually they were participated in that one. And some of the requests which we were observed from the WhatsApp group and the chat that concern link has to be posted prior to that one. Whether you all might have came to know from the first day which we were given that information which you are received from the Atal FDP or not, that is the entire 5-day session which was monitored by chief data scientist was acted as an Pure expert review for this concern online FTP, which was conducted in an that is virtual mode. You already checked with us teaching and learning what it was happened in the, up to this 5 days. Okay. So once actually the responsibility which was given to one participant is he or she has to attend that session fully. And at the end of the session alone, once after the completion of the session and interaction with the concerned experts delivery alone, feedback link will be posted. Okay. And that too, the procedure is it has to be posted in the concern a meeting link where it was happened. Okay. Since some of them were stated that your network data card has exhausted and because of some other reasons, requested us, therefore that link will be posted in the concern personal number or to one mail ID itself. It's in procedure. Okay. It doesn't mean that when we thought as a student, if those fellows want to attend the program, which you are posting the link by and filling the things in the way. It is the link which you are going to be feed that input is going to give a real feedback about that session, what it was happened. Even if some X or Y might have been missed because of that network that is data gets exhausted or by means of your link gets failed in that one, he or she has to give a feedback up to what may be the time which you have observed the session, either half the session or a quarter of the session or a part of that one. That's a feedback which everyone which wants in the way. It doesn't mean that when whether we are in a position to take care of parallel activities as faculty, it's the responsibility of each and everyone how to balance those things. Okay. And only that 80% of attendance is expecting from this ATEL FDP recommendations too also. Okay, so you don't need to worry about some of them discussed with us and stated that kindly send the feedback link of 2 days before that session 2 or something else in the week. Okay, if you miss such a thing, so you don't need to worry about those things. Okay. So if you are attended, you kindly check whether you are all attended 80% of that sessions out of this 14 sessions which was held so far. Okay. We also felt happy without this small communications gap which was happened in between the organizing team along with them WhatsApp. This is the real thing. So our team is difficult enough to send over the links or other things about particularly the feedback links. It's a procedure as a faculty, as a teachers, we are in a position to follow the things. Sorry if our team won't send the feedback link as in a common group. Okay. Thank you very much. So at this juncture, we would like to thank you all for your active participations and your interest which you have shown in that entire 5 days. And most of them are interacted with the resource persons, and wherein we also learned a lot out of it. And we also gained our knowledge in the data analytics, and particularly in the smart healthcare field. We believe that things one way or other way, these 5 days learning might going to be play a vital role in each and every faculty, those who are attended this 5-day session. It might be of in a research way, or it might be of in faculty which you're going to deliver to your students, or you're going to be as in consulting something for your own idea in this data analytics. Okay, we believe that in such an broad and wider opening and informations which you all might have been received from the resource persons which you have arranged. Okay. We also very much interested to conduct in a physical line as the procedure which was instructions which was given by that ATEL FDP. We are in a position to conduct it in a virtual mode. Okay. In future, because of your eagerness and your active participations, we are also very much interested to conduct these kinds of faculty development program in this concerned emerging area and trust areas, what the current people and society needs with this advancement in the technology, which you plan to conduct in future. Surely we are going to keep touch with you all in these kinds of academic mutual benefits. And we are also request each and every person, those who are acting as a participation in this 5 days FDP, we are also requested you to post your, you can send your concerned college programs or concerned department activities to us. There is a chance for us to participate in your institution. Parallel mutual learning is possible only by means of sharing our knowledge with each and everyone across nation wherever we are available in that way. Okay. So thanks a ton from our heart to each and every participants which are connected in a virtual way. We would like to thank your management and your concerned head of that institution and department has provided opportunity for you all to register for these kinds of programs, and they have given time for you all to inculcate something which are relevant for this data analytics and this smart health in that way. We would like to thank our own management given permission for us to conduct these kinds of activities, keep on encouraging us and our team to do faculty development programs at our institutions and make us to do something beyond what actually which was happened already. We would like to thank our principal, Dr. P.S. Srinivasan sir. Without his constant support and encouragement, conducting these kinds of activities is not such an easier case for us. Thank you very much, sir. Next, I would like to thank the main coordinator. Actually, I'm the screen behind my team. R. Shanmugasundaram and R. Kemalata of my department is they were made the proposal and we were put forth that proposal to a next level. It was sanctioned and approved, and it shows that when whatever be the proposal which was submitted by us from an ECKOT, Atal also has an given chance for us to conduct. At this juncture, I would like to thank R. Shanmugasundaram, Assistant Professor of EC Department, and R. Kemalata, Assistant Professor of EC Department, for what to say, to make this proposal to be in final and successful and at this 5th day. Thank you, RS and Kema, for your cooperation. Next, I would like to thank always next to me is our senior team is there, Saravanan, P. Shanmugasundaram, Kumar Ganesh, and rest of the faculty team. Actually, we are a backbone for our major organizing team. Thank you, Saravanan, P. Shanmugasundaram, and Kumar Ganesh for these things. And entire my department faculty members, those who are actually attended these programs, not but not least, the tiny team in my department, 3-member team. Actually, the Mumurti of our department is Hariharan, Gopi, and Praveen Kumar. These are all the 3 team members. These are the members, 3 members actually did a major role in this one, which was headed by a senior Prem Kumar of a department. Without these 4-member team executing such an activity for this 5 days is not a simple task for me. Really, from my heart, bottom of my heart, I'm speaking that Hari, Praveen, Gopi, and Prem did like anything. Parallelly, this time, too many parallel meetings for me to attend and taking care of much more inputs, tackling different sort of not at all an issues, balancing our students and other activities in that way. Still now, even if I won't have a chance to join with you all with that last 20 minutes also, I believe that our guys can receive all those informations. They are going to successfully complete everything. I'm very much happy. Thank you one and all. Thank you, my dear super tiny team of ECE, Hari, Praveen, Gopi, headed by Prem Kumar. Surely, my dear participants, in future, with our team, we are going to conduct a new sort of activities for you all, okay, for the betterment of our nation and students community and the faculty community. Thank you one and all my dears. And once again, I would like to thank all those participants from our own institutions. They were interested and came forward and registered and attended this program along with us. Thank you one and all. Thanks Almighty for giving me an opportunity to execute such a kind of activities. And then now finally, formal vote of thanks and other instructions will be given by your Hari. Over to Hari.
Thank you, ma'am. So good afternoon to one and all present here, and almost we are at the evening of the day. So good evening to one and all present here. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all. It gives an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all dignitaries assembled over here. And I wish all the academicians, all the professors, and all my faculty friends all the best for your future endeavors. I would like to thank all our resource persons who have honored this function with their inspirational thoughts and also their insights. I would like to thank our beloved principal sir, Dr. P.S. Srinivasan sir, at this juncture for motivating us to conduct these kind of FTPs and STTPs in our institution. And I would like to thank Dr. K. Visagavel sir, Vice Principal, Knowledge Institute of Technology and Knowledge Business School, for motivating us to do these activities inside the premises. And I would like to thank our director, our placement director, Dr. M. Thangavel sir, and training director, Dr. P. Rajendran sir. And I would like to thank Stephen sir for his continuous support in all our works. And I would like to thank all the department heads of various departments for their support in all aspects. And I would like to thank all the faculty friends whomsoever is working with us and also whomsoever have joined virtually along with us. And finally, I would like to thank our team members, starting from our HOD ma'am, Dr. N. Sandhya Kumari ma'am, Professor and Head, Department of ECE, and Dr. Kumar Ganesh sir, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology, and Mr. V. Saravanan sir, Associate Professor, who is working in the Department of ECE, Knowledge Institute of Technology, and Dr. P. Shanmugasundaram sir, working as an Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, Knowledge Institute of Technology, and R. Shanmugasundaram sir, working as an Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, Knowledge Institute of Technology, and Mrs. R. Hemalata ma'am, who is working as an Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, and the organization committee, which was headed by Mr. S. Prem Kumar sir, who is working as an Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, and also my peer team members, Gopi sir, and then Praveen Kumar sir. And I would like to thank all my department faculty members for their entire support. And I would like to thank all our lab technicians who have helped. Without them, we people are nothing to organize this wonderful event. And finally, I would like to thank the God Almighty for the successful conclusion of all the 5 days FTP program. Once again, I thanks one and all present here. Thank you.